So what I got here is 4 buttons and 1 piezo. I just grabbed the red board and threw this together so that we could talk about this. But each one of these is indeed making sound based on the hertz. It's defined in this code here. And if we look at the code, all I did was, I did a pin mode for A5 for the speaker pin to be output. And then I use something else called input pull-up, which I would like you to look into. There's a difference, and it's a good read. I'm sending you an email. You should have gotten it because I'm sending you this video as a result of that too. So you can see each one of these, if the button is pressed now, if it's low, it's going to generate the tone. So 3 is 300. Then you got 6, 350, 9, 450, and 12 as 550. So I hope this helps. If it's useless, I will hear from you in class. See you soon. Bye.